Welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Continuing on with the November paper pumpkin kit from Stampin' Up. It's the Gingerbread House set, and we are going to literally follow the instructions in the kit and build a gift card holder. So step one has us stamping the house. So I've got my acrylic blocks out. I'm using the archway stamp and then the decorative overpiece. And I'm also going to be using the Happy Holidays greeting with one of the labels. So I will build the front of the card first. I'm going to use my Blushing Bride stamp spot, and I'm going to ink up my stamps. So that looks to be well inked up, and then I'm just going to pop it down over top of the opening in the die cut. So there we have the archway, and then I'm going to do the decoration on the top just to tie it all together. Just make sure that's inked up really, really well. And it is. The nice thing about the photopolymer is you can't actually see when it's inked up. And I'm going to tuck this over the top like that. So now you have decoration over the whole piece. I will use the Stampin' Spot to ink up the Happy Holidays greeting. And then we're just going to put that down in the middle of the label. There you go, just like that. Now we're finished with those stamps. I'm just going to put the lid back on the Stampin' Spot. Now, the next piece it says we need to do is we need to fold these over, and we need to use the sticky strip on this piece here, and then some adhesive dots down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some adhesive dots on just along the bottom. It holds it closed so the gift card doesn't slide out the bottom for you. So just peel those off, put them down, and I will put another one down there like that. Okay, and then you just peel the stickers off the top like that. Okay, so now that surface is sticky. I'm going to fold that over, and I'm going to cut a piece of sticky strip. I just need to find the start of it. There we go. And I need a piece about that long, so I will cut that off. And this is just essentially double-sided tape. So we are going to take this and we're going to stick it down just along the edge like that, and then we're going to peel off the top layer of tape. So now we've got sticky surfaces. I'm just going to turn it around because I find it easier to do it this way. We are going to fold that down. We're going to fold this over to meet it, stick it down like that. Now we've got the bottom stuck down, and we've got the side stuck down as well. So this is the front because it's got the doors on it. We're going to use dimensionals to put this piece on here. So we'll just pop some dimensionals on the back here. And just like that. And then we'll just take those off, put them to the side. And then we just center this down with the door in the middle, like that. So we're starting off really well there. Now you can just sticky strip this on, or you can dimensional it. I am going to put dimensionals on it because I like dimensionals. I like making things pop right out. So we'll do that. We will put this on. You can put it crooked, you can put it straight, you can do what you like with it. I'm just going to pop it on like that. So there we go. Now, the one thing that they did include in the kit are these lovely, lovely candy stickers. So I am going to put one of the candy stickers right over top of the heart. I'm going to use the green one, I think, to match the door. And I'm just going to pop it on like that. It's a bit crooked, but you can just reposition it so there's a big candy dot right above the door, just like that. Then you have your envelope. There are to and from stamps. You could stamp the envelope. Otherwise, you just put your gift card in here, right through there, and then you can put the whole thing inside the envelope, and you are good to go. So that is literally following the instructions to build the gift card holder. So thank you very much for watching, and if there is anything you'd like to purchase from this video, or if you'd like to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin kits, just use the links below. Thank you very much.